What's up, everybody? Today we're diving into Pi Network, the crypto project everyone's talking about. It's a mobile-mined coin with a community growing at lightning speed, millions of users all waiting for a huge launch. There's real momentum this week. People are buzzing. When will Pi launch? What will the price be? The signs are pointing to a potential price explosion. And it's not just hype. There are real factors at play. In this video, I'll break down the 3 key reasons why Pi Network's price could skyrocket this week. If you hold Pi, or are even thinking about it, you can't afford to miss this. Let's get into it. Let's start with the biggest potential catalyst we can imagine for Pi Network. We're talking about something that could fundamentally shift its trajectory and bring it into the mainstream spotlight. This isn't just about incremental growth, it's about a seismic shift in perception and accessibility. It's a major exchange listing. Imagine seeing Pi listed alongside Bitcoin, the king of crypto, a symbol of the decentralized revolution. Think about the message that sends to the world. And Ethereum, the backbone of countless decentralized applications, and the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Being in their company would instantly elevate Pi's status. On Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, a platform known for its massive trading volume and global reach. Or Coinbase, the leading US-based exchange, renowned for its user-friendly interface and its role in bringing cryptocurrency to a wider audience. A listing here would signal serious intent. Right now, Pi is locked in its own ecosystem, a walled garden if you will. It's a self-contained world with its own rules and limitations. You can mine and hold Pi, accumulating it within the Pi Network app, carefully watching your balance grow. But you cannot trade it on open markets alongside other cryptocurrencies. It's confined, waiting for its moment to break free. A listing would open the floodgates, unleashing Pi onto the wider crypto market, exposing Pi to millions of new investors overnight, individuals who are actively seeking new opportunities in the digital asset space. This isn't just hype. This is about fundamental market dynamics and the potential for real value creation. When a coin lists on a top exchange, the world takes notice. It's a signal that the project has reached a new level of maturity and credibility. Demand surges, and price can skyrocket, often in a matter of hours. The initial excitement and FOMO can create a buying frenzy. We've seen it before, time and time again, with countless other cryptocurrencies. History often repeats itself in the crypto market. New listings often trigger massive price pumps, creating significant gains for early adopters, and generating buzz around the project. It's simple economics, a fundamental principle that drives all markets, including the cryptocurrency market. Millions want in, eager to get their hands on this new digital asset with so much potential. But the supply is limited, at least initially, creating a sense of scarcity and driving up demand even further. The result? Price goes vertical, shooting for the moon as investors scramble to buy Pi. But it's not just about price. A listing brings so much more to the table than just short-term gains. A listing is a stamp of legitimacy, a validation of the project's vision and potential. Top exchanges vet projects thoroughly, conducting extensive due diligence to ensure they meet strict criteria. If Pi gets listed, it means it has passed these rigorous checks and has been deemed worthy of inclusion on a major platform. It signals to the world that it's the real deal, a project with substance and long-term potential. This credibility silences skeptics, those who have doubted Pi's potential or dismissed it as just another crypto fad, and attracts mainstream attention, bringing Pi to the forefront of the public consciousness. News outlets start covering it, analyzing its potential and exploring its unique features. And FOMO kicks in hard, as people realize they might be missing out on the next big thing in crypto. Investors rush to buy, eager to secure their piece of the Pi Network pie before it becomes too expensive. Before the price takes off, leaving them behind in the dust. The Pi core team has hinted at open mainnet and public trading, the next logical steps in Pi's evolution. A listing is the logical next step, the natural progression for a project with such a massive and dedicated community. With over 50 million users already engaged in mining and supporting the network, Pi has a built-in advantage. Pi won't settle for a small obscure exchange, it's aiming for the big leagues. They'll go big, targeting a top-tier platform that can handle the massive influx of users and trading volume. The anticipation is intense, as the Pi community eagerly awaits news of a potential listing. The moment an announcement drops, the crypto world will be set ablaze. It'll be a race to buy, a frantic scramble to acquire Pi before the price skyrockets. Exchange servers could even crash from the rush, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of trading activity. This isn't just possible, it's practically inevitable given the size and enthusiasm of the Pi community. It's the next step for Pi, the key to unlocking its full potential and bringing it to the masses. The tech is ready, the Pi network has been meticulously developed and tested. The community is massive, a global network of passionate believers in the Pi vision. And the only thing missing is access to the wider market, the ability to trade Pi freely on major exchanges. A listing is the bridge, the crucial link that connects the Pi network to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. To global adoption, paving the way for Pi to become a truly mainstream cryptocurrency. And it's not a one-day event, the impact of a listing will be felt for months and years to come. Liquidity and accessibility, the ability to easily buy and sell Pi will be key to its long-term success. Will drive long-term growth, fostering a healthy and sustainable ecosystem for Pi. Pi could be integrated into payments, becoming a viable alternative to traditional currencies. Apps and more, expanding its utility and making it an integral part of the digital economy. If even a fraction of Binance users buy in, the impact on Pi's price and market cap would be enormous. We're talking billions in volume, transforming Pi into a major player in the cryptocurrency market. This is the rocket fuel, the catalyst that will propel Pi to new heights. For Pi's price, unlocking its true potential and rewarding the early adopters who believed in the project from the beginning. So keep your eyes peeled, stay informed, and be ready to act when the announcement finally comes. This could happen any day now. The moment we've all been waiting for is just around the corner. A major exchange listing, it's not just a listing, it's a statement, is the game changer, the transformative moment that will redefine Pi's future and solidify its place in the cryptocurrency landscape. The second reason Pi could explode, it's not just about the technology or the mining process, it goes much deeper than that. It's about something that can truly transform a digital currency from a promising project into a global phenomenon. Strategic partnerships. These aren't just casual collaborations, they're carefully crafted alliances designed to bring real-world value and utility to the Pi network. Partnerships are what turn hype into real-world value. They bridge the gap between a theoretical concept and practical application, making Pi a currency that people can actually use in their daily lives. Imagine Pi teaming up with a giant like Amazon. Think about the possibilities, or eBay. These are not just hypothetical scenarios, they represent the potential for Pi to integrate seamlessly into the existing e-commerce infrastructure. Suddenly, your mind Pi could buy real goods. From everyday essentials to luxury items, the possibilities are endless. That's instant utility and massive demand. It's a game changer that could propel Pi to the forefront of the cryptocurrency revolution. Even rumors of partnerships with payment processors like PayPal or Stripe could send shockwaves through the market. These partnerships would streamline transactions and make Pi accessible to a wider audience. More places accepting Pi means more people want to use it, creating a powerful network effect, and more businesses want to accept it, a snowball effect. This creates a virtuous cycle of adoption and growth. The Pi community is already building its own ecosystem, demonstrating the inherent demand for a digital currency like Pi, trading goods and services for Pi on testnet marketplaces. This grassroots movement is a testament to the power of the Pi community. An official partnership would legitimize this on a global scale, transforming Pi from a local phenomenon into an international currency. Think about gaming, a massive industry with a global reach. Pi could be used for in-game purchases, providing a seamless and secure way for gamers to transact, tapping into millions of gamers. This would not only increase the utility of Pi, but also expose it to a new and engaged audience, or tipping creators on social media, rewarding them for their content and fostering a vibrant online community. Pi becomes part of daily life, seamlessly integrated into our everyday routines. The Pi core team is made up of Stanford grads, individuals with a proven track record of innovation and success. They know partnerships are key to unlocking Pi's full potential and driving widespread adoption. Announcing a big partnership during Open Mainnet would supercharge the hype, creating a wave of excitement and anticipation. It would attract long-term investors, not just speculators, solidifying Pi's position as a viable and sustainable cryptocurrency. The community is already proving Pi's value, demonstrating its potential as a medium of exchange. By trading everything from electronics to cars, showcasing the diverse range of goods and services that can be exchanged for Pi. A major corporation betting on Pi would be a huge vote of confidence, signaling to the world that Pi is a force to be reckoned with. the timing is critical. The launch of Open Mainnet presents a unique opportunity to capitalize on the existing momentum. Dropping partnership news as Pi hits exchanges would create a perfect storm, driving up demand and solidifying its position in the market. Utility-driven value is what sets Pi apart from meme coins, giving it a solid foundation for long-term growth and success. With its massive user base and mobile-first approach, Pi is ready to lead the charge towards a more accessible and inclusive digital economy. Watch for partnership announcements. They are the key to unlocking Pi's full potential. They could come from e-commerce giants, revolutionizing the way we shop online, fintech innovators, transforming the landscape of digital finance, gaming powerhouses, integrating Pi into the world of virtual entertainment, or social media platforms, empowering content creators and fostering online communities. Any one of these could be a massive catalyst, propelling Pi to new heights. Partnerships are the engine that keeps Pi's rocket flying, fueling its growth and driving its success. This is the substance behind the hype, the real-world value that sets Pi apart from the competition. Strong partnerships will give Pi staying power for years to come, ensuring its long-term success and solidifying its position as a leader in the cryptocurrency space. The third, and maybe most powerful, reason for Pi's potential success lies within its vibrant and dedicated community. This isn't just a group of casual observers, it's a force to be reckoned with. They are the backbone of the Pi network, driving its growth and shaping its future. Over 50 million engaged users. This is a testament to the project's appeal and the strength of its vision. That's more than the entire population of many countries. Think about the implications of that scale. It's a significant user base that can influence the direction of the project and drive real-world adoption. Pi built this army before even launching on the open market. This is a crucial distinction. Most crypto projects launch and then try to build a community. Pi did it the other way around, fostering a strong foundation before entering the competitive market. Unprecedented in crypto. We haven't seen this level of community engagement and pre-launch anticipation in the crypto space before. It sets Pi apart and gives it a unique advantage. These early adopters aren't just speculators looking for a quick profit. They're true believers in the project's long-term potential and the vision of a decentralized future. They see Pi as more than just a cryptocurrency, they see it as a movement. Most won't sell at launch. They've waited years for this, patiently accumulating Pi and contributing to the network. They understand the value of holding and the potential for future growth. That means when Pi hits exchanges, supply will be tight, as a large portion of the community is committed to holding their coins. This scarcity could drive up the price significantly. But demand will be massive, fueled by the anticipation and excitement surrounding the launch. Newcomers and those who missed out on early mining opportunities will be eager to acquire Pi. The result? Explosive price action. The combination of limited supply and high demand could create a significant price surge in the initial days and weeks after launch. This community isn't just holding passively waiting for the price to go up. They're building the Pi ecosystem, developing applications and contributing to the network's infrastructure, promoting Pi to their friends, family and social networks, and creating hype 24/7, generating buzz and attracting new users to the platform. Pintwork trends constantly on social media platforms with thousands of posts and videos daily, sharing news, updates and their personal experiences with Pi. This organic marketing machine is priceless. You can't buy this level of authentic enthusiasm and community-driven promotion. The mining mechanism keeps users engaged, encouraging them to actively participate in the network and contribute to its security. And the referral system drives exponential growth, rewarding users for inviting new members to the community. Pi's community is its greatest asset and defense against criticism and misinformation. When critics attack, the community rallies, shares facts, and supports newcomers, educating them about the project and addressing their concerns. Most projects spend millions on expensive marketing campaigns to build a community and generate awareness. Pi did it first and for free, leveraging the power of its community to spread the word and attract new users. When Mainnet launches, these users become the first validators and users of the Pi economy, securing the network and participating in its growth. This is true decentralization, putting the power in the hands of the community and ensuring that the network is not controlled by a single entity. The massive user base is a huge draw for potential partners looking to integrate Pi into their businesses